I am Amanda Rizkita Hamida from Melta UNESL team. I will briefly explain the topic we raised in the essay. First of course we know about energy use. Most people in common know there are two energy based on their availability. The non-renewable energy in the form of fossil energy and renewable energy that come from the sun, wind, water, etc. Some people think example of the use of fossil energy are vehicles. They use gasoline and renewable energy is electricity. However, this assumption is not entirely true. It is necessary to know where the actual electrical energy comes from. The following graph quoted from ourworldindata.org show the fact that coal is still the world's largest source of electricity, followed by gas, hydropower, nuclear, oil, and other energy. In Indonesia, based on 2018 electricity production data by the Secretary General team of the National Energy Council, it can be seen in the following graph. Steam power plants that utilize coal rank first, followed by gas and non-renewable energy. From these two data, it can be realized that electrical energy is not entirely derived from renewable energy. Besides the limited availability of fossil energy, its use also causes negative impacts such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide gas emission. Therefore, a non-carbon renewable electrical energy source is needed that can be supply large amounts of electricity. Based on USGS.gov, the Earth has a water area 71%, many energy stored in the water such as currents, wave, thermal, and pressure. Pressure is one of the major energy stored in the water, but this is still not widely explored and utilized. Because of that, we have the idea of converting water pressure into electrical energy using piezoelectric sensor called UDO Mark III. The UDO Mark III will be combined with the marine structure and attached for each UDO Mark III ball to enhance its durability. Here is a prototype of the UDO Mark III consisting of an inner core ball, inner tube, piezoelectric sensor, outer tube, outer core ball, and top umbrella. On the UDO Mark III ball, there is a ballast tank part. A ballast tank is needed because the UDO Mark III carries the working concept of a submarine which has three conditions. The first condition is flooding in the surface when the ballast tank contains only air. Furthermore, there is a flooding in the middle of water condition when the ballast tank begins to fill with water, and the last condition is sinking when the ballast tank is almost completely filled with water. This is how the UDO Mark III works. The UDO Mark III ball will be lowered slowly using the track on the ball. After all the ball is in the water, the ball will go down and up using a concept of the submarine, and the cycle will continue to repeat. The process of generating electrical energy occurs in the process of up and down on the ball. The piezoelectric sensor in the tube will experience pressure from the water when the ball reaches a depth of 150 meters and experience stretch when the ball rises to a depth of 100 meters. The electrical energy produced can be channeled directly to the mainland for further management. The UDO Mark III ball has a diameter of 6 meters, which means the surface area of the tool is 1,130,400 cm², divided according to the number of tubes, which are 6, and produce 188,400 cm² for each tub, which means for each tub the pressure is 2,920,200 kg at a depth of 150 meters. Based on research conducted by Triyuda in 2020, one sensor produces 1 volt. One tub containing 128,800 sensors arranged in parallel will produce a voltage of 0.5288 megavolts at one pressure. Then the estimated electricity generated by one UDO Mark III ball is 3.1728 megavolts. One marine building can accommodate 4 UDO Mark III balls, which means one building in one cycle can produce a voltage of 12.6912 megavolts. We hope that this idea can be realized and commercialized in the future with the technology that has been qualified to build this manufacture, so the world really gets non-carbon energy that does not damage the earth because the UDO Mark III utilizes water pressure, which is a renewable energy. Thanks for your attention.